Thank you. Good evening, Chair, and the esteemed members, those who are present physically as well as online. I'm really thankful and I'm glad that I've been invited for this celebration of the 7th Ayurveda Day with the theme Ayurveda everywhere. That is, Ayurveda each day, Ayurveda at every home. And this is a theme that the ministry selected. And I'm really thankful and I appreciate the strong efforts of APPG, especially Sri Bhamraji, in promoting the Ayurveda in UK in association and cooperation with the Indian High Commission. I'm also thankful to Virendra Sharma, the Honorable MP, the one who just left, and His Excellency, the Indian High Commissioner Vikram Dorai Swami, His Excellency, the High Commissioner of Mauritius to UK, Girish Nanko, the High Commissioner of Uganda to UK, Nimisha Madhwani, and all other experts and the dignitaries who are present for the function. The theme this year selected, especially this was based on the theme that the Prime Minister actually suggested, the tricolor in every house. And this theme is again based on the principle of the promotion of health and the prevention of diseases. And during this pandemic, everybody of us, we understood that what is the importance of the promotion of health and the prevention of diseases. And in this last 2 years, especially when the COVID pandemic started and when there was no any remedy to anybody in the world, and that time there were no vaccines also available, that time the Ministry of Ayush took the initiative of promoting the immunity of the people by using the various Ayurvedic interventions and which are commonly used in the household like the various spices, so that not only in India but all over the world these various initiatives they can be utilized by the people to promote their health and to save themselves. And this goes in the line with the theme that the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, he always says that Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is the whole universe is my family. And in this spirit, that the entire people of the family, that is all the people in the family in the world, they should be protected. This initiative was taken. And this is the basic line that why this the Ayurveda Day theme is there. And one of the part of the Ayurveda Day every day, every home is the nutrition. The nutrition is one of the important aspect, and we should also focus on the nutrition. And when we talk about the nutrition, the various dietary substances as well as the dietary various regimes that we follow and the dietary habits, all this is very important, and it is important for all the classes, whether these are the poor people, whether they are the affordable people, whether they are in the Southeast Asia or whether they are in the Western countries. Because of the nutrition, there are a lot many studies which are available. Either it causes the iron deficiency, anemia, and malnutrition, the undernutrition, underweight, the maternal mortality rate, infant mortality rate, all these issues. At the same time, the non-communicable diseases and the various other problems like the geriatric healthcare problems and the various psychological problems, they arise out of nutrition. And that's why the Ministry of Ayush has now taken the initiative in improving the nutrition of the people in the country. And we have taken major steps in this. We are also promoting the use of the millets, and all of you know that the 2023 is going to be the millet year. And in this direction, the various uses of the millets, different kind of millets which are used, so they are being purported to promote the health of the people. And in these lines, the Ministry of Ayush in India, we have notified a special category of food that is called as Ayurveda Ahar. And this Ayurveda Ahar notification has been brought out by the FSSI, which is the regulatory body for the food in India. I am sure that the Ayurveda Ahar will be also very popular in the Western world. And when we talk about the Ayurveda Ahar, it is not necessary that all the ingredients they should be grown in the tropical countries, but it is also possible that the various food grains which are available in various countries, they can be used on the principles of Ayurveda, and so that we can have the Ayurveda Ahar in all over the world. While doing so, the Ministry of Ayush has also integrated a lot of technology. With the help of the various technological institutes, the Ministry of Ayush has joined hands within the country with top-notch institutes that are like the Indian Institute of Technology, and with the Indian Institutes of Technology, whether it is from the Jodhpur or Chennai or Bombay or Delhi. So this institutional collaboration at the same time with the CSIR, that is the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, the Ministry of Ayush has also launched the joint PhD program where the people having the background of Ayurveda, they can have PhD in various other science subjects, and the people having the science background, they can have the PhD in Ayurveda. So this bridge that actually we have worked together, and this will give rise to a lot of research. At the same time, at the international level, we have collaborated with the top-notch science institutes like the AIST of Japan, as well as the Harvard Medical of the USA, and many more, the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro and Federal University of Sao Paulo in Brazil, and many more. And obviously, the in the UK, the London School of Hygiene is the one of the initiative, and that was possible because of the intervention of the Bhamraji. So these various technological interventions that the ministry has taken, and we have also launched a program called as Ayurtech. So Ayurtech is the initiative where actually we are integrating the lot of technology for the diagnosis, for the developing the various instruments, the various biomarkers, as well as for the drug delivery system. So all aspects, they are there in the Ayurtech program. And with this Ayurvedic, we have also promoted the investment in the Ayush sector. And for this, the Global Ayush Investment Summit, it was organized in April. What the Honorable His Excellency, the Ambassador, the High Commissioner of Mauritius to UK, he just mentioned about. So this initiative was launched, and that will be done now frequently. So we are looking for the inbound investment as well as the outbound investment. We have to the strong commitment for establishing the various chairs, and as the Indian High Commissioner just now mentioned, so we are committed and will be very happy to depute the Ayurveda chair to the good institutes in UK to promote the education in a more authentic way, and not only the education but also to undertake the research in the various aspects in UK and the other part of the world. Beyond technology, we have also looking for the integration of the sciences. And when we talk about the integration of the sciences, the Niti Ayog is the highest body of the government of India, which is the think tank, which is the planning and policy making body. So with the initiative of the Niti Ayog and with the cooperation of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Ministry of Health, we have also drafted a integrative medicine policy, and probably this could be the first policy in the world. So likewise, the ministry has done a lot of scientific work to provide the scientific basis to Ayurveda, and we look forward for establishing more and more this kind of collaborations and the networking all over the world. Thank you very much, and thank you once again to all those who have joined, and the APPG and the Indian High Commission for taking this initiative for celebrating the Ayurveda Day.